Genesis 1 to 29 says, "Then God said, I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food." And as Helen Keller once said, "Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow." Hey everyone, have you ever thought about giving your kitchen scraps a second life? Instead of tossing them away, you can turn them into a thriving garden right at home. Today, I'm going to show you how to regrow veggies from kitchen scraps. It's fun, it's easy, and it's great for the planet. First up, let's talk about green onions. Don't throw away those little white bulbs. Place them in a glass with some water, making sure the roots are submerged. Put them on a sunny windowsill, change the water every few days, and within a week, you'll see new green shoots sprouting up. Seriously, it's like magic. Next, let's move on to lettuce. You know that little stump you usually toss? Save it. Place it in a shallow dish with just a bit of water at the bottom. In a few days, you'll notice new leaves starting to grow from the center. Once they're about an inch tall, you can plant it in soil and watch it continue to grow. Carrot tops are another fantastic example. Cut off the top inch of the carrot, place it in a dish with water, and put it somewhere sunny. The tops will start to sprout beautiful green leaves, and while you won't get new carrots, the greens are perfect for soups and salads. Ever thought about growing your own potatoes? It's super simple. Take a potato with eyes, those little sprouts, and cut it into chunks, making sure each piece has at least one eye. Let them dry out for a couple of days, then plant them in soil. In a few months, you'll dig up a bounty of new potatoes. Celery is another kitchen scrap hero. Take the base of a celery bunch, place it in a shallow dish with a bit of water, and you'll start seeing new growth from the center in just a few days. Once the sprouts are a few inches tall, transfer it to soil and keep it well watered. And there you have it. Turning kitchen scraps into a thriving garden is not only rewarding, but also helps reduce waste and promotes sustainability. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Remember, every small step towards a greener lifestyle counts. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. See you in the next video.